One of the ways I use in my classes to help people develop that traditional 360 style is to do a by stages choked 360. For this, we want to take our normal stance, so feet hip width apart, hips forward, soft knees, chest up tall, high posture. We want to take a choked grip, so that means some way up the handle of the mace, just to make this a little bit easier, better to concentrate with. And it comes in 3 parts. So initially, we're going to twist towards the finger we can point. So initially we would metronome that way. We're not going to metronome here. We're going to twist the torso. So keeping both feet on the floor, we're not just twisting the entire hips. The hips stay still, the torso moves. We would then want to dip the mace behind us. So like we're doing a pullover, just in reverse. So mace dips behind us, you stay in control, don't let the mace slap you. Twist the torso the other way, and then pull over, pull forward. Then we counter twist again, dip the mace behind, twist the torso from that pendulum position, and use the elbows, use the lats, pull forward over the head. So we twist, dip, twist, pull. Give that one a go, do it nice and slowly. It'll help teach you that torso rotation. It's not quite the same as a standard 360 because you're pulling from behind in front, whereas a normal 360 pulls from the side across. However, it's one of the stages to build up to developing that power through the core whilst using the arms.